thank you for taking time to come to this session. I know it's late in the day. And thank you to the Alliance for allowing me to have this discussion with you. As a society, over the last couple of years, we've faced some significant challenges. And we had to be flexible and agile in overcoming these challenges. As engineers, we also faced some challenges. And we had to come up with flexible ways to design systems in the face of fast innovation cycles. In my talk today, I talk to you about Lattice's FPGAs and tools and how they enable acceleration of future models with existing silicon, flexible FPGAs that are programmable. So we've seen a fast innovation in a cycle of moving models from the cloud to the edge. In addition to the drivers that I think most of us agree to, latency, security, bandwidth limitation, privacy, we also see lots of options that are available for system designers to accomplish the goals of the system at the edge that they used to do on the cloud. This conference shows you the wide variety of available different silicons that can accomplish these capabilities.